Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. This is Patty, and I am going to cook some chicken breast today. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I will let you know as we go along. And I have vinegar that I'm pouring in, just not measuring it, just pouring some vinegar in, and I'm going to sprinkle a little salt in and let them soak for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'll come back and clean them really well. I'm going to cover them over and pause here, and I'll come back. The chicken is all washed and cleaned and ready to be seasoned. And these are the seasonings: a little cayenne pepper, Calvinder's Greek all-purpose seasoning, and this is the Paul Prudhomme Poultry Magic garlic and pepper seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, and some smoked paprika. And I'm going to season everything, and then I will be searing the meat. Okay? The chicken is all seasoned, and I've started searing it. Here it is. This is my chicken all seared up. So I will probably smother it and make some gravy. And it's so tender, I can eat it just like it is. I'm not sure yet, but here it is. And I wanted to show you, I used this tenderizer to pound my chicken on the smooth side here to tenderize it. Because these were chicken breasts and they were thick, and I had to slice them in half, and I used this to pound. Now this side with the ridges, you use this for the beef, but I use the smooth side for the chicken. So it's all seared up, and I'll think about what I'm going to do. I have it draining on this paper towel here, and I'll take it off that and just put it in a container. And if I decide to smother it down, I'll let you see the results of that. But here it is. This is the roux that I'm making, and I have 3 tablespoons of oil from the fat that I fried the chicken in. Okay guys, here is the smothered chicken and gravy. And I have sprinkled some cracked black pepper on top. It is so flavorful. I've tasted with rice, and it is the bomb. Please like, share, follow, subscribe, and tell your fam and friends about my channel. I thank you so much. I love each and every one of you. And be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.